Hello, my name is Crystal McGowan, and I will be working for a nonprofit organization that helps children in the foster care system and the families that take care of them. They do this through mentorship, building relationships, and intentional giving. I am expecting from Phil to learn a lot about case management and dealing with case records, as well as volunteer recruitment and screening. I'm most excited about the holiday boxes we deal with and celebrating birthdays. I think these are important aspects of children's lives that don't often get celebrated within the foster system. I'm most concerned about COVID and having to wear a mask. I have asthma, and wearing a mask is not good for me. And so I think I'm going to try to manage this with doing anything virtual if I can, as well as just wearing the mask, in a limited amount of time as possible. I do meditation. I try to get outside every day. I do tapping, yoga, things like that. So I think that will help as long as I can avoid the mask as much as possible. I think that's it. Thanks.